The date for the upcoming general election has just been announced, marking an important milestone in the country's democratic calendar. Marlon Samuels provides insights into the lessons learned from previous election cycles and the steps being taken to ensure a smoother, more transparent voting process. Stay with us for the details.
According to Glasspole Brown, Director of Elections, several key measures have been implemented based on lessons learned from past elections to enhance the electoral experience. Among these improvements is the expansion of polling stations to better serve voters.
One of the lessons that we have learned, certainly if we look back at the February 2024 local government election, that there was some amount of complaint in terms of the timeliness of what we do. Certainly in terms of persons are somewhat impatient in terms of when they go to vote on election day, they want to just go into that polling station, enter that compound, and within a short while to get out. So what we have done is we have expanded the number of polling stations. Certainly we have an additional 500 new polling stations compared to what we had in February. And also what we'll be doing is to ensure the process move a little bit faster on election day.
Another significant change is the placement of a considerable number of polling stations on ground floors to assist voters with mobility issues.
That will help the persons with some level of disability. We have in excess of 96% of our polling station will be on the ground floor for the upcoming election.
As the election day approaches, it's important for all eligible voters to be informed and prepared. Your participation is crucial in ensuring that the democratic process reflects the will of the people. Make sure to mark your calendar and exercise your right to vote. Every ballot counts in shaping our nation's future. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.